United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 263, Responsibility and Liability, 1. States and competent international organizations shall be responsible for ensuring that marine scientific research, whether undertaken by them or on their behalf, is conducted in accordance with this convention. 2. States and competent international organizations shall be responsible and liable for the measures they take in contravention of this convention in respect of marine scientific research conducted by other states, their natural or juridical persons, or by competent international organizations, and shall provide compensation for damage resulting from such measures. 3. States and competent international organizations shall be responsible and liable pursuant to Article 235 for damage caused by pollution of the marine environment arising out of marine scientific research undertaken by them or on their behalf.